Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and today I want to share with you guys my new dry backpack from Luxtude. I love this backpack so much. I love the design. It's so pretty. The material feels very high quality, and my favorite part about this backpack is actually on the back because it is so comfortable to wear. You can see here that the straps have padding. They're also very adjustable, so anybody can wear it comfortably, and also the back is very padded as well. You can kind of see there how much padding it has. Just makes it very comfortable. And I also like that it has this handle with some grip on it. Very convenient, and you'd be surprised how much fits in this backpack. I've already got 2 huge beach towels in there. I'm putting in my sunscreen, my bug spray, our Bluetooth speaker. I also bring with me a portable phone charger, my wallet, and this bag also comes with a dry bag for your phone. So once you've got it all in there, you just connect all the straps, and this bag is super waterproof. It's going to keep all your belongings dry and safe. So if you're in the market for a dry bag, I highly recommend this dry backpack from Luxtude because it's so convenient and easy to carry, very comfortable, keeps all your belongings nice and dry, and that is my point of view.